Hello guys, it's your boy Oz. I am in Taveuni. Let me show you the view. Let me show you what I get to wake up to. Bam! This is my view. This whole time that I'm gonna be here, I'm gonna be looking at this for free, guys. What? So this is the house where I'm staying. Big, beautiful wooden house. It's my friend's place. And now we are going to the waterfall. So I'm like, come on, let's go. So yeah, we're about to leave now to go to the waterfall. This is my swimming outfit. It's the same one. So yeah, let's go. Adventure time, baby. Alright guys, we are on our way to Taveuni waterfall in Taveuni. There's so many beautiful places here that you guys should come check out. Unpopular opinion, eh? When tourists come to Fiji, you always go to the hotels. But I'm telling you guys, if you really want to see Fiji, you gotta blend in with the locals. Go to the villages. Stay at book a room. Stay at the villages. Experience the real life in Fiji. So I'm gonna take you guys to Taveuni waterfall, and I'm gonna show you guys around. Let's go. This is the highway, Taveuni. Woo. Guys, this is Mate Point, the corner of the island, and now we're beginning to go behind the island of Taveuni. Okay. Buntarwaw.
Buntarwaw.
Guys. Waibure.
Waibure may
under the mountains.
Under the mountains and under above sea level.
In Taveuni, guys.
Above sea level.
Now this is genuine Fiji water. Clear, bottled here at the source. Not like the Fiji water that's bottled in LA.
LA from Lambasa.
That's Gamea, guys. Gamea Island. Geleni village. Guys, check out where I am. Bouma National Heritage Park. Can you believe it? I made it. We're gonna see the waterfall up there. We're gonna follow up that track to see the waterfall and hopefully get to see some of these beautiful creatures here. So this is the head office. This is where you can pay for your entrance. I don't know, fee to enter. Look at it. Bolavina, welcome to Taveuni Forest and Co-operate Limited, home of Bouma Waterfalls. Look at that. Let's go check it out. Not a bad way to start a year, eh? Start by traveling, okay? Now we're starting on our trek with family. Let's go. Check out this beautiful path that they made, making it accessible for everyone. Is the stuff like this and the maintenance. That's why it's important to charge a fee, you know, for the maintenance. Awesome. And we're beautiful. This place is beautiful. Okay, guys, this is it. I have to say, it's like stepping out of your house and into Narnia, someplace magical. Look at this beautiful place. There she is, the mother lode. What? Look at this beautiful place. Apparently there's more waterfalls on top, so that is the path that you can take. But this is what I came for. Beautiful. Guys, are you seeing how beautiful this place is? You know what? I swear, I think God lives here, you know? I mean, look at how clean this place is. And it's beautiful. This looks like a bonsai. Right, let me just... What? Would you look at that? Man, I wish someone was here to take my photos. What's up, guys? Look at that. Look at that. I'm about to go and take a dive. I'm going to jump from over there. So, come. Come. I'll wait. Jump out of the screen. Come. Come. Any dreams, bitches? Anyways, yeah. Look at this place. What? I've spent about 1 hour taking photos only and videos. Look at that. Amazing. I swear, God lives here. God lives in Taveuni. And from today, I'm no longer from Rao or Vitilevo. I am from Taveuni.
Oh, eto ma.
What?
Eto daw anya.
Even this tree looks like a bonsai. Look at that. If we were alive. No, wait, scratch that. This place looks like the Garden of Eden in my imagination, you know? When I try to imagine Garden of Eden, I think of this. Beauty, paradise. Bam, 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 bam. Hallelujah. This is what it looks like from, how can I say this? Behind the waterfall, yeah. The whole cave-like structure. Look at this. Look at the artistry. Look at the details. Oh my God. Yep, God definitely lives in Taveuni. Randall, this is Randall, and he's gonna jump for us. All right, let's do it. Here we go. And don't worry, if you die, I'll delete your internet history. Yeah, idiot. I'm better. Okay, again. Yep, that was a fail. We're gonna have to do that shit again. Right, Randall, here we go. Let's go. Bye, motherfucker. More than so. So, yeah, you can jump as many times as you want, whatever style you want. You ain't never gonna touch the bottom of this here little place. Big place. My turn to jump. Tackle. Wait, ang fail sila nung kulanti boy. Tapos kayo. You know why? Because my hole became big. Rare talaga kayo. I got afraid, guys. Oh yeah. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching my vlog. I am gonna put my phone away now and enjoy the moment. I think that is what we all need to do sometimes. Okay, bye. You guys are boring. Bye.